So I just finished this really cool build. I'll leave full specs in the description. Here we have the Cougar X5 Dark Bladder E-ATX case. We have the white one here. I also installed a custom green ring RGB button. Here's a taste of the cable management and how I had to do it, how I wanted to do it. This motherboard is the Aorus Z690 Elite AX, so it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth built in. It's a very nice motherboard, very nice case. It also has the vertical mount ready to go if you wanted to do that. And with all the specs, this is how it benchmarks. I benchmarked this in 1440p. And here are some of the stats, just so you can see for yourself.